We're here at CES 2020 and we're checking out the world's first foldable PC because foldable phones are so 2019. This isn't just a gimmick though. This is not a toy. This is a serious laptop replacement that took Lenovo and Intel 4 years to co-engineer. The ThinkPad X1 Fold isn't just a folding PC, it's a ThinkPad, which means it's really, really tough. What I'm really impressed with about the device is how durable it feels. This is not something that's flimsy at all. It feels super, super sturdy, but yet the mechanism is super smooth when you're opening up and closing the display. Lenovo actually used LG's flexible OLED technology inside of the device. And looking at the back of the device, it comes with this leather folio cover that also doubles as a kickstand. There's an optional keyboard available for the device that is super, super slim, that stashes inside of the device and is able to wirelessly charge while it's inside of it. It's got really powerful processors under the hood. It's Intel's new hybrid processor. As for the display, it's a 13.3-inch display. Lenovo used LG's OLED flexible display in the device. It's also got a 4.3 aspect ratio and a 2K resolution. The ThinkPad X1 Fold will be available sometime in mid-2020. It's going to have a starting retail price of $2,500. The initial model will come running Windows 10 Pro, but Lenovo says that there will also be support for Windows 10X later on. It kind of reminds me of like a handbag, which I'm personally really excited about. Lenovo, if you're watching, get me a strap to accessorize.